My dear brothers and sisters, in the Gospel today, Jesus is seen as the pilgrim and migrant. Jesus descends from heaven to earth and for our salvation suffers, died on the cross and is resurrected. We all are pilgrims. We do not stay in one place, but we keep moving from one place to another, one village to another, one country to another for various reasons. Finally, at the end of our earthly journey, we have to move to heaven. The theme of today's fourth novena is Let us become hope of the migrant community by integrating their uniqueness. As we reflect on this theme, let us pray through the intercession of Saint Francis Xavier to the crucified Christ that we may become hope of the migrant community by integrating their uniqueness.